right, y'all, for day 19 of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators' recipes, I've got Cookin With Megg's Mississippi roast. It's also my grandma's favorite. This is the perfect cozy Sunday meal. We've got 2.5 pounds of chuck roast. This has been sitting out for like 30 minutes to get it to room temperature. You're gonna take a paper towel and blot this on both sides. We're just gonna season this up with some salt and pepper. I'm gonna use my favorite Golden Steer Sergio seasoning, which is their famous salt and pepper. Golden Steer is a very famous steak restaurant located in Las Vegas. It came with this adorable golden spoon. All right, so I'm just gonna generously season all of this. Rub that in everywhere, make sure it's even on the sides. We're gonna flip it and season the other side. I've made Mississippi pot roast before, but I've never done a few of the things that she does in hers, so I'm really excited to try it this way. Now she says to sear this. So normally I would use a cast iron skillet, but that piece of meat is not gonna fit in mine. Add some cooking oil to the bottom, or just avocado oil, olive oil. We're gonna heat this up, like I said, on high. Oil is nice and heated up. Lay this big hunk of meat right down in. We're gonna cook for like 4 to 5 minutes on both sides just to get that nice crunchy sear on the outside. About 4 minutes, I'm gonna flip this. Kitchen is smelling delectable. All right, this is nice and seared up. We're gonna add this to the crock pot. You know it's a big piece of meat when you have to use 2 spatulas. Oh, it fits perfectly down in there. We got 1 bag of carrots and 1 large white onion that I just sliced up. Those going in. 1 pack of ranch seasoning mix. Pack of au jus gravy mix. She adds a little bit of paprika. Garlic powder. This would not be a Mississippi roast without the pepperoncinis. A little bit of chicken broth. 3/4 to 1 cup of chicken broth. Last but not least, butter. We're gonna act like this is 1 stick of butter. Cover her up, let her cook for about 3 to 4 hours on high, and I'll see you when it's ready. All right, y'all, it's ready and smelling absolutely delicious. I also made homemade mashed potatoes. Big thing of homemade mashed potatoes. These carrots. Oh! Good job, Amy. Look how perfect. Put some pepperoncinis on top. Let's dig in. All right, time for a taste test. Let's get one of these carrots first. So soft, and the flavor is so yummy. This is just so cozy. Trust me, y'all gotta make this one.